Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share this mini Fashionnova haul. This is my first time ordering from the company and I got some hits and misses. I am starting off with what might be my new favorite pair of jeans and this really cute crop top. I'm loving it. I feel cute. Next, I got this teal bodysuit and this faux leather brown pants. I'm obsessed with these pants, but they did come damaged. Luckily, Fashionnova did go ahead and send me a new pair. Overall, I like the fit, I like the style, and I may not put this two combination together, but I still feel cute, so it is what it is. So these pants here may have been made specifically for me. I love them. I feel so cute. It elongates my legs. Got a little bump going on back there, you know. I feel cute. I'm trying on with this off-the-shoulder polka dotted bodysuit now. This top has a lot going on, but it's still cute, so I had to try on my white faux leather pumps with them because I've just been loving pumps lately and these shoes give. I got to do a close-up of them in another video, but they give. I love them. I feel so cute every time I put them on, even though towards the end of the day I end up not walking so well, but I feel cute in the moment, so who cares? Who cares? I don't, you know. Feet suffer. It's fine. Next, I'm trying on this off-the-shoulder see-through bodysuit. It is see-through underneath, but it has enough cover-up where I feel like I can still wear it in my office. So I feel so cute in everything that I've bought so far. Now, these 70s inspired pants may have the worst fit of anything I purchased. It's just really big in the back, and even when I tuck them in, it still doesn't fit quite right, but I still wear them. It's not terrible. I'm wearing it with this camel colored full leather bodysuit tube top. This one I haven't styled yet, but I do like it. And then I got this graphic bodysuit. Still cute. Now, the girl on the website wore this as a dress, but I have learned I am not the girl on the website. This is a baggy t-shirt at best. Do not wear it as a dress.